Iran has made its stance loud and clear. Iran says that it can restart nuclear talks with the United States, but only if certain conditions are respected. Now, what are those conditions? Let's talk about that. First of all, Iran wants its right under the Global Nuclear Treaty, the Non-Proliferation Treaty, to be recognized. So basically, in simple words, they want the world to admit, yes, Iran has the right to peaceful nuclear energy. Second, they are saying that don't fool us again. Trust has to be rebuilt. And third, perhaps most critical, they want a guarantee from Washington that negotiations won't turn into just another excuse for war or any military action against them. Now, this particular announcement came just one day before Iranian officials are set to meet with European power in Istanbul, including France, Germany, and the UK, countries that are still trying to salvage the 2015 nuclear deal with Iran, also known as the JCPOA. Now, that particular deal collapsed after the United States President Donald Trump, back in his first term, pulled America out in 2018 and re-improvised sanctions on Iran when they ramped up its uranium enrichment. Since then, Iran has walked a fine line, pushing the limits of the deal while avoiding total collapse. In the meantime, the Trump administration has now shown interest in restoring talks, but both sides have remained stuck over who should blink first. Iran says that it won't stop its nuclear advances until sanctions are lifted. On the other hand, the US says that Iran must first come back into compliance. Now, Tehran's message is this: we'll talk, but only if you stop threatening us and start respecting us. Well, with rising tensions in the Middle East and a global energy crisis, this could be a critical turning point. The questions are, will the US agree to Iran's term, or will the diplomacy fall apart again? Stay tuned. This is not just about Iran's future, it is about the world's nuclear future too.